Notion is a workspace where you can capture notes and customize as you like, create new documents, manage your projects, create to-do list, track things like your habits and expenses, create database, collaborate with team members, publish a page on the web, and you can do many more. Notion also offers a built-in AI that you can use for your need. And the best part is you can almost do everything with just a free account. If you are a complete Notion beginner, or if you have tried Notion earlier but found it really overwhelming, then this is the right video for you. In this video, we are going to talk about 4 things: blocks, how to create a page and sub-page, how to use the workspace, and how to share and collaborate in Notion. Let's visit the Notion homepage and have a look into the free plan. So this is the Notion homepage, and if you go to the pricing, so over here you can see the different plans that Notion has, and this is the free plan, and any individual can use this free plan. If you scroll down further, if you look closely, this is one of the limitation with free plan. If you want to upload any file, then the size of that file has to be less than 5 MB. Then other than that, if you see, almost most of the features of paid version is available with free plan. So let's first sign up for a free account. So you can use any of this to create your free Notion account, or you can also use your email address to do that. Let me create using my Google account. So once you sign up, you will see a page like this, and you can use any of this based on your use case. I am using this one and I will use it for myself. So I'm selecting this one, and you can leave it blank. And Notion has also got a desktop app, and if you want to use that, you can also install as it is showing here. I'll just skip this. Notion also offers calendar. If you want to use Notion calendar, then you can use it, but for now I'm skipping it as well. After completing those steps, you will see a page like this where it says welcome to Notion, and there are few things which are mentioned. You can go through, but for our learning purpose, let us start with a blank page. So I will remove all this. Notion has also their Android and iOS app, and you can use that in your mobile. To start Notion, you just start typing. Notion is a very good tool, and like any other text editor, you can select and it will show you the options that you can use to edit this text, like to make it bold or italics or underline. You can also use this hyperlink option to link anything to this text, and you can also change the text color or the background color of the text from this menu. And by typing this, what you just created is a block in Notion. Block is like a component, and you can think of it as a brick or a Lego piece that you can use to build anything that you want. And everything in Notion is a block. You can add a new block in Notion by clicking on this plus sign, or you can also add new block by typing this /. So let's check some of the blocks that you can create in Notion. Let's start with a to-do list. So if you just type to do and select and press enter, you can create a list like this. Like this. Let's see how you can create a bullet list using Notion block. bullet list 1, bullet list 2, bullet list 3, like that. You can also create a toggle list using Notion block. My toggle list, sorry, if you click here, then here you can again say list 1, list 2, list 3, and you can toggle like this. You can also upload image in Notion. So Notion gives you to upload any image from your local system, or you can also use the link to any image, or you can use this Unplush library to insert an image in Notion, just like this. You can also insert map in Notion. Just paste the address of the map and it will insert the map of that location, just like this. So these are only few that I covered, but Notion has got a lot many blocks, as you can see here. You will find anything and everything that you need for your purpose. Now let's have a look into some of the features of the block. You can use these 6 dots to rearrange any block in Notion, like this. You just hold and drag. You can hold and drag to create column like this. You can click on this 6 dots and it will show a context menu, and if you want you can duplicate any block like this. Similarly, using the context menu you can change a block type into a different block type, like I'm changing the text block type to a bullet list. Similarly, using the context menu you can delete any block. Notion is a very powerful tool and it is very flexible. You can almost build anything using Notion, but because of its super flexibility, it becomes overwhelming for the beginners. So it is always advisable to learn the basics really well and then start gradually building anything that you want to build in Notion. All these different blocks we just added, those are currently sitting on this canvas, and this canvas is also a page in Notion. In Notion, there is no concept of folder. Everything in Notion is page. You can create any page in Notion by typing this page. Give it a name, my page. And within page, you can create another page, sub page. Within sub page, you can create another page, page inside a sub page, and you can just go on and create as many pages as you want. If you want, you can add a cover to your page and you can upload from your local system, but make sure that it is less than 5 MB because we are using a free account. Or you can also put a link of the image, or you can upload something from Unplush like we did earlier. And once you add, if you want, you can drag and reposition as you like. And if you want, you can also add an icon for your page, add emoji, or you can add icon, or if you want, you can upload any personalized image. So let's say I want this, and yeah, you can add icon like this. You can also click on these three dots and customize the font or the width of the page. If you want, you can also lock the page. So once you lock, you will not be able to make any changes to this page. You can also mark any page as favorite by clicking on this. Any pages that you mark as favorite will appear on the left hand side and you can quickly access that. Notion pages are organized on the left hand side of the menu bar, and it helps to navigate the pages like this. Notion workspace has got two parts, editor and sidebar. All the blocks that we added, the page we created on this side of the Notion page is the Notion editor. And what you see on the left side as a menu is the sidebar. The sidebar is expandable and you can hide it by clicking this, and you will only see the editor, and if you move your mouse then the sidebar will appear again. So let's fix the sidebar for now. So on the sidebar at the top, the very first thing that you see here is your workspace. Whenever you log into Notion for the first time, it will create a workspace by default. But if you want, you can create a new workspace, and you can also switch between different workspaces from here. Under favorites, it shows all the pages that you have marked as favorite, and you can easily access those pages by clicking from here. And the next section is private, and only you have access to any content under this section. Then further down you have settings. If you want to make any changes to your Notion settings, you can do it from here. And then you also have templates. So there are a lot of templates that you can use in Notion, but if you are just starting and learning the basics of Notion, then I would recommend not to use any templates at the beginning because you may find that overwhelming. So learn the basics first, and once you have some knowledge, then you can explore templates and see if there are templates that you can use for your specific requirement. And lastly, you can also use the powerful search option of Notion to search anything in your workspace. And if you are using a paid version of Notion, then you will also see Teamspace on the left hand side, but it's not showing here because I am using the free plan. Now sharing a page in Notion is very simple. You just click on this share and type the name or group or email ID, and you can share it from here. And you can also control the level of access while sharing by using this option from here. And if you want to use any Notion page as regular web page, then you can again click on the same share button, click on publish, and click on this publish button. It will create an address that you can use to access this page over internet. So you can copy the link here, or you may click on the view site and you will see the page over the internet, and you can just share this link to anyone over internet and they will be able to access the page. And the good part is, if you make any changes to this page, it will reflect there. Adding a new line, if you come to this page, do a refresh, you will see that new thing appearing here, which is really cool. So this is what I wanted to cover as part of the fast Notion basic video. I'll create another video for one of the most important block of Notion, which is database, and I'll put the link of that video whenever it is ready and you can watch it from here. But if you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.